All right, welcome back. Algebra 2, new chapter, chapter 7. And we're just going to hit some high notes of this. One being logarithms. And to start off on logarithms, or logs as they're sometimes called, we're going to start with what's called the natural log. And we're not going to get into the heavy math yet. Just want to work with some practice skills of what a log is. It's an exponent with varying bases. And this first one's natural log e, which is explained for you in that video I have posted for you. And if you just watch the first 4 minutes, you'll know where it comes from and what it means, and you'll appreciate that number a bit more than I can explain here. So try doing that for me for spare 4 minutes for that. But let's go now into how we're going to use e a little bit, and this part's going to be familiar for you because if you look at example 1, we're doing some exponent work, and I know you love the exponents. But when you have a common base like this, it's all e. Look at those first 3 problems. There's a base of e there, or a number, or a coefficient of 5, or some other numbers, 12 and 3. It's not bad to work with. If you have a common base, you can when you have multiplication, you add the exponents. When you have division, you subtract them, and it's other skill like that. So I think you'll be okay with this going to start with. All right, so let's start with these. Example 1, simplifying the expression e squared times e5. Well, common base means I'm going to add the exponents. Sure. So it's e squared plus the 5. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. Done. Piece of cake. Next one. You have multiple bases now. You got, just so you know here, you got 12 base, you got the 3 base. Then you got the e's on top and bottom. So just be aware of that before we do anything with this. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's pretty easy. And e to the 4th, e to the 3. So I have the e from the 4 there. I'm bringing the 3 up to it, subtracting it. That's over 1, but I'm not writing that. And basically it's 4 minus 3, which is 1. So we have 4e. Done. And the last one here, you have 2 bases, and don't forget to distribute that 2 to the 2 bases. The 5 here, and as well as the e. So you got to do both of those. So let's try that. So it'll be 5 squared. And then it's e, the negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6x. Yeah, that's it. That's the first step. Now again, you can't have negative exponents, right? Bad news. I got to move them. So this is up in the numerator. I have to go down to the denominator and I change the sign. So I have 5 squared, which is 25. And e 6x. Yeah, that's done. Not much else to do there. Simplify only, right? All right, down below, there's a few other ones. Pretty similar to what we just had. E7, E4, we add, so E7, plus 4, E11. Next one, still multiplying. The 2 into 6, that's going to be a 12. And I have E negative 3 plus the 5. So I have 12, E2, I guess. Yeah. And the last one, 24 divided by 4, 6. You have e to the 8, numerator e to the 5, and the denominator bring the 5 up, subtract it, 6e, 3? Done. So that should be familiar for you. We'll evaluate these e's in the next lesson. Stay tuned.